Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is April monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, what are the messages for you? Okay, 3 cards. What are the messages for Cancer? And what's going on? Lot of earth energy guys. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energy. I think for some you both are in separation with your person. For some no contact. If you are in contact with your person, this is on and off connection. Because you are in this energy, you are fed up with this connection. You are in so much pain. Cancer, because 10 of Swords energy. Still you are thinking about them. Still, one part of you want this person back. Still you want rebirth for some. And they are coming back with an apology. Someone is coming back with an apology. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 3 of Pentacles, Knight of Swords and 5 of Pentacles. So your person treated you as an option. They are not available to you emotionally when you need them. Maybe player type energy, Cancer. So there is no collaboration, there is no partnership between both of you, but they are rushing to communicate with you. Knight of Swords energy. Some communication. For some, your person already reached through communication. For some, if not, definitely there is some communication is coming because Knight of Swords, they are rushing in recent past. And there is, I think things between both of you was unbalanced. Then present, Sun, Knight of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. For some third party situation involved, children's also involved in this connection. One person in this connection have kids also. So you think that this person is your happiness, but someone is coming towards you. For some it could be a new person, for some it could be a past person, depending upon your situation, but someone is coming. I think it's a new person what I'm getting here, and this person is very serious about you. And some communication text is also coming. Maybe your past person also realizing your worth, they're coming back with an apology. I think most of you, there are 2 persons coming towards you. One is past and another could be new. If this is not that case, maybe you have only 1 person, definitely someone is returning. But you are doing meditation, you want to heal yourself. 4 of Swords energy, you will be in this energy near future, Cancer. But 7 of Swords with the Devil card. I think this person may be toxic for you. Maybe they lied to you, cheated on you in past, they hurt you. That's why you are undergoing some spiritual, some meditation to heal yourself. But this person is obsessed with you, and this person may be toxic for you. Be careful if they're coming back again. Yeah, they maybe this person wearing mask with the Devil card. Something is not correct in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of earth energy and air energy is here. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Wheel of Fortune, divine timing. So your person feelings towards you. 2 cards I'm not taking. Your person feelings. Again the Sun card. and Two of Wands. They're thinking about you a lot. Maybe your person having options, they want to choose between one between two. They want to choose between two. I think they're suffering in silence. 5 of Pentacles 2 times. I think one person treating the other person as an option in this connection. And Queen of Wands, your person is also very passionate and very grounded. And the Sun, maybe children's. I am getting the same message, children's involved in this connection. And the Sun card, they're realizing that now you are their happiness. So let's see their actions, then we will get more clarity. Knight of Cups is here. See, again the Devil. I think they're obsessed with you. Lot of obsession is here. Knight of Cups, the Empress. I think they're coming back for sure, your past person. But you know your situation more than me, because the Devil card, 7 of Swords, 2 times Devil card came in this reading. If they're really toxic for you, please leave them, because Knight of Pentacles energy is also coming. I think it is a new person. Maybe that person is very serious about you. So you have to choose between two. Most of you, there are 2 persons coming. New love is also coming. But this person is also coming. They are obsessed with you. And they want you back. They want success in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, this person may be realizing you both. They want to express the truth to you, because the Tower with Princess of Cups, now they're getting clarity. They're coming back with an apology. So you have to make decision, Cancer. You are the decision maker now. Yeah, this love is mutual. You still have emotions for this person, and you both could be soulmates also for some. And King of Swords, but you are very strong now. You stand by your power. You are thinking through your logical mind right now, Cancer. Yeah, apology, communication. Yeah, communication is coming, and definitely they are coming back with an apology. They will try again and again, because a lot of apology, lot of message cards. And Emperor, but you stand by your power. So they are coming back with an apology. Then it's up to you. I think 2 persons coming towards you. Lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Cancer. Yeah, you are stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. You still have emotions for this person, but you are super balanced. You are taking your control back. But there is some positive news, and positive shift is coming for you, Cancer. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Yeah, they will fight for your attention. They can't let you go easily. They are missing you, and they're coming back. Maybe it is they're taking their time. They're very slow moving, but they're coming, and they really want to offer stability. For some, maybe you have only 1 person, they're coming back. For some, if you have 2 persons, a new person is also coming, but maybe they are very serious about you. But 1 person, if you have 2 persons, so it could be a new or old. 1 person could be very toxic for you. You have to decide which person is toxic for you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. You are pure perfection. I want you back. I am not feel good enough for you. Decision time. Passion. Yeah, the messages are decision time. You are pure perfection. They want you back. They are not feel good enough for you. A lot of passion, and are always thinking about you. These are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Cancer. Take time to breathe out. So if you are doing a lot of work, So if you are busy with your work, it's time to take some break and to relax. So this is the message. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.